Howdy, thanks for joining us. We're at the Crystal Mine today near Verdi, Nevada. This is an old mine that they used to source crystals for radios in the early part of the century. I think the US government was mining them here at one point for the war efforts. And it's a really pretty spot. It's about halfway between Verdi and like Boomtown. I can't remember if Boomtown is on that side or Gold Ranch. Gold Ranch is one way and Boomtown's the other. Anyway, so it's I-80 is that way on Dog Valley Road, and Boomtown is that way, 395 on Dog Valley Road. And so it's about halfway between. Most times of the year, any vehicle can get here. This time of the year, it's snowy, can be muddy. We saw a truck that was trying to tow a trailer down a hill and needed help getting out. And then those guys that on the quads down there told me that that Toyota we saw on the way in slid down the hill and crashed into a tree. So we'll be careful on the way out for sure. But yeah, it's a pretty spot. Kids enjoy digging for gold, digging for the crystals, and Danielle enjoys digging for crystals, and I enjoy taking pictures. Thanks for joining us. Was flying the drone and I was trying to do a pass over the trees behind me there on top of the hill, and it's really hard to tell how far away you are from something, and so I crashed into one of them. Here's what happened. Yeah, we hit the tree and started tumbling, and I was like, oh crap, I'm one of those guys. And I just went full throttle up and it recovered. Sweet. So here we go. My first almost crash. Actually, it's not my first almost crash, but it's the first one I've caught on video. So hope you enjoy. The family is up there near the top of the hill, right there, and they found a spot and they're digging for treasure. So we come out here a couple times a year, and it's a fun place to come. It's a nice drive. It's real pretty. They enjoy digging, and I enjoy taking pictures, so I've got a bunch of good pictures from here. There's some four-wheeling to be done in the hills off behind me there, and some fun stuff right here we might try later. Looks doable. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
After you chip at it, though, you gotta look at what you've been chipping at. It might be hidden. Oh, I'll just keep digging.
I didn't find any treasure.
Not yet. Well, there's some treasure. I have them in my pocket. The fun thing will be when we get home, we'll clean them all up. And then we'll look at them.
Mommy.
What?
Check out this.
Whoa, that one's cool. You
It's
like
for
that one?
you.
It's for me. Wow, thanks. Ooh, I like it. You want me to put it in the bucket?
Yep.
Okay.
Hey, thanks for checking out our adventure on the All Terrain Family channel. We appreciate your watching. If you liked the video, please like. If you really liked the video, please subscribe. It gets easier every time.
Like and subscribe.
What do you say, Nash? And if you really want to support us, you can go to our website at allterrainpodcast.com or gizzardstone.com and you can buy one of these cool stickers. This one you can get from the state of Nevada, but these we can get for me. Thanks.